this PC right here is running off this one wire coming out of the PC. How did I do it? Well, that's how you click on the video. So stupid. Okay. It's gonna be great. All I really did to make this was mount a screen on the inside of this case and add a wireless network card. And yeah, that's about it. Here, this is how you do it. Just run the wires in there and then mount the screen using Gorilla Clear tape. Bing bang boom, you got yourself a one-wire PC. The parts I use for this PC include a GTX 1050 Ti Accelerate, 16 gigabytes of Corsair Vengeance RAM at 2400 megahertz, a TP-Link wireless network card, an MSI A320 motherboard, a Ryzen 3 2200G, and this cheap wireless mouse and keyboard combo that is from China. The Gorilla Tape holds quite well onto the monitor, as you can see by this greatly acted demonstration here. All you really have to do is mount the tape on the four corners as shown, and that's how you do that. Why would you make this, you may ask? Well, imagine just rolling up to a LAN party and everyone's like got all their wires and setting up. You're just like, bam, one wire, dang, done. Everyone else taking forever. You're just sitting there playing your games, watching them. Everyone's gonna be so jealous.